This video will show you how to fit an infinity lock for the Opendoor door locking system. You will need with you a Phillips screwdriver, 4 AA batteries and the Allen key from your management pack. Firstly, insert the mortise into the door, making sure the cabling from the mortise is fed through the front of the door. Next, screw the mortise into place and attach the forend to the mortise, securing it with the 2 small screws. Place the key barrel into the mortise and using the Allen key, secure the key barrel in place with both screws. Following this, insert the 2 handle spindles and if required, insert the deadbolt spindle. Now plug your mortise cable into your front handle and carefully feed the battery cable through the door. Attach both handles to the door, making sure that the springs of the spindle sit in the handle correctly. Also be sure to feed the battery wire through the hole in the back handle. Holding both handles securely in place, insert the screws in the back of the door, making sure that they grip the handle and not the door. Tighten the screws slightly until all 4 screws are in place and then tighten with your screwdriver. Next, insert the batteries into the case and connect the wire. The lock should then beep to confirm connection. Sit the battery case onto the back handle, ensuring no wires are sticking out. Attach and then screw in the battery case. Finally, confirm that the handle inside opens the door, the front handle is now locked, and that the deadbolt works correctly. You will now need to configure and assign a room number to the lock.